We are here, guys.
Västerås.
Västerås. Right now we are walking to cafe to have figure. It's very nice city. First time in here. Ooh.
Second ugliest city in Sweden.
Tommy says it's ugly, the second ugly city in Sweden. I don't know why. Looks nice though.
I don't think it looks too bad.
Yeah.
Aren't you a book this one?
Yeah. What?
Gonna read.
Oh, look, a lot of lotus. Oh, very nice. Little pot. Yeah, sama. Little pot. Pot in here.
That looks like a cafe over there as well.
Yes, a lot of cafe.
Picture it.
Very nice. Oh. For yakin. For gajan.
Färgfärgen.
Freka.
The color report.
Okay. Oh, look at these flowers. Purple. Wow, look at this. It's insane. Big roses in here. So big. Here we are. The cafe. อ่านว่าอะไร Kajin's Kajin Cafe. Look at the flower, guys. Which one? This is like the one we have it. Coconut chocolate. This is the orange. How much is it?
It's the third biggest lake in Sweden.
This one?
Yeah.
Where's the lake? Over there, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
over here. I
Very
think
big.
it's this one should be.
Oh, pistachio something.
Yeah, something. Pistachio coffee. I forgot what.
Yeah, it's pistachio coffee. I don't know, like specific name, no?
Yeah.
And this is apple.
Apple pie.
Apple pie. Looks so good. And with beer.
Beer and chocolate.
With the view like this. Forgot to mix. Is it supposed to mix first?
I don't know. Maybe.
Is it ice cream?
I guess so.
It is. Oh,
Maybe.
you need to mix first.
Hello?
You want to taste? Taste? Taste. Yeah. It's ice cream. Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
Pistachio. So nice.
Hello? Price is not bad either.
เท่าไหร่นะเท่าไหร่คะ
All of this was like, I think 400 for yours.
Okay. So, apple cake, apple pie. They smell good from the cinnamon.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
so nice. Ice cream. You give it, it's gonna become a lot.
Yeah.
No.
Give me a little piece. See if you can take it from my finger.
I think they're scared. Go get it. Duck. Little duck. Wow, they have a lot of island there, no?
Right.
What is the green sign over there?
The green sign?
Yeah.
You mean in the water?
Yes.
I think it's for boats to know where to drive.
Yeah, I
Like
think
where
so.
it's deep and where it's shallow.
That's apartment, right? Lake and hit.
So, yeah.
Very nice. I love the grass
Yeah.
balcony over there. So nice. Little a bridge over there, na? Bridge. A lot of lake and heads. Yeah. What is that thing over there? The big tank. Is it tank?
Factory.
Factory, yes. อันนี้อะไร Ooh, flower. Pink. Is it real?
Yeah.
Yes, look like unreal. Ooh, big. You see that? You see? The pink one. อันนี้อะไรอ่ะ Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Huh?
But I don't eat it. You can touch it.
Uy. You guys see it?
Yeah.
Look like a snow flower. Right?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
A lot. You smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Another flowers. Lila in Swedish color, purple color. So beautiful. Look, a lot of daisy, guys. So pretty. Everywhere. This is lotus flower, but not bloom yet. Around. Waterfall. Little bench people can sit. So nice. Besides the festival right now. This one? Is the toilet so small? Yes. Ooh. Duck. So nice. We just stop and take a break, guys. It's nice little park here. They also have like a fireplace and people sitting here chilling with the lake view. So beautiful.
In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else.
Beautiful way.
Some more secret she keeps hidden.
Water, yes, there. And walking down. There. Fun. Pine tree. What we got? Went to shopping. Went to shopping. This is what we got. Aloe vera.
Yeah,
Aloe vera, and this is kebab wrap.
No, chicken wrap, chicken curry wrap.
Chicken curry wrap and jalapeno shit. So good. We are here, guys. Same spot. Favorite spot. Hike. And with these drinks. That city was so nice, no?
Yeah, right. Cozy. Nice to walk on the pier.
Aloe vera is so good. Have a little jelly of meat as well.
Right.
Oh, nice. Kebab chicken. Wrap.
No, get the sauce. Get the sauce.
Get the sauce.
Yeah.
อร่อย
ใช่ไหม
Wow. So good. The way run